butthead last night? Yeah? Good morning. And good morning to you. It is August 25th. I'm taking the day from painting to edit some videos real fast. The vlog you're about to see is being edited right now, and I'm also doing the how I created the comic part 1 today too. I am thinking really hard about not doing a sticker for Patreon next month and instead focusing on these videos because I'm getting a little burnt out on stickers right now and I really want to get these videos out. I'm feeling very video-y right now. So, I'm think a little bit more on it and I'll come back to that subject in a minute. But I'm just gonna drink my coffee and edit some videos. And I forgot to say thank you so much for watching the last one. So, this is my thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. But keep watching. This is a new vlog. Enjoy. Are you comfy? Do you not like being woken up? I wonder how that feels. I wonder. Alright, just finished doing the vlog, and I think I finally found the song that because I keep using this one song in my, yeah, that sounds great. I keep using this song because I really like it in my time lapses. Sometimes I switch it up, but I really like this one a lot, so I'm gonna use it for my intro song too. I just need to figure out what I want to do with the intro, and I kind of like those animated bouncy letters, and I think I can do that in Photoshop. So I'm gonna work on that sometime later because I'm still hungry and I'm getting hungry and have to work on a couple more things in the next hour before I eat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hi, baby girl. Did you wake up? Good morning. So cute. Alright, let's check this. Ooh, almost done. Awesome. Getting those videos uploaded. They will most likely not be due. Okay. My undies are done, but they can stay in the dryer. That's fine. Go ahead and do that. I forgot to do the Patreon snapshot, so I'll do that tonight. And depending on how early/late I get in, I might as well just I probably will toss in another load. Cause I have 4 in total. I just did 2 today because I'm off tomorrow, and I'm gonna do again a lot of cleaning tomorrow. But I've got 20 minutes before going to work, and as you can tell, I'm ready for work. I got ready faster than I thought it would be today because the band I need more ponytails. You can see I'm unprepared for having long hair because I've had short hair for so many years. But the band I have is on its last legs, and my hair's so thick it can't hold it all up. So it's only half up today. But I feel cute. So, yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.
For all these years. And in the spring of 2019, they actually get this shocking message. The message came in early May of 2019, which is almost 18 years now after Tionda and Diamond first went missing. And it all started when their great aunt Sheila decided to make a post on the Missing Diamond and Tionda Bradley Facebook page. And it wasn't anything like crazy, like no monumental time. She was just kind of sharing her thoughts about how much she misses them.
I did it again. I was talking and it wasn't even recording. Dang it. Okay. It is the 26th. I just finished doing some admin stuff, setting up my Patreon snapshot, setting up new links on my Twitter profile, because you kind of need those if you want other platforms to grow. So I did that, and I'm going to start pushing those a little bit more, because I do kind of want the YouTube channel to grow. And then I think that's it for admin work right now. Other stuff might pop up, as it usually does. I know, baby girl. I'm going to take the doggy for a walk. You want to go for a walk? Yeah, is it time to go for your walkies? You want to go for a walk? Okay, go by the door. Go by the door. I'll meet you over there. No? Okay. But I have shirts in the wash right now, and then pants, and then I'm almost done with laundry. Sounds like they just finished. But I'm gonna take the dog for a walk, get the laundry switched out and put away, and then start on the housekeeping for the apartment. Today I'm just gonna be working on the sketch for a commission, and then hopefully finishing the underpainting of this. This is my big goal for the day, is to finish the underpainting. So we'll see if that happens, because I want to get this done so I can start actually painting it probably Friday, because I like to give it a full day to dry, even though I'm using liquid, which is a fast drying medium. You mix it into paints or your oils. Oh, it's over here. I'm using this, which is why I got another one, because I'm almost out. It makes your oils dry quicker, but I still like to give it a full day of drying, just so that when I go in with the actual oils, it's more of like a preservation tactic, because if you put oil on top of paint that isn't fully dry, when that paint underneath dries, it's going to make the oil on top crack. So that is my knowledge to you, and I only hope that it is correct. Because honestly, I don't really care about the cracking. I just don't want it to crack as fast. Because I do really, and I know it's kind of bad for me to say, but I do actually enjoy the look of cracked painting. Oops. Oh well. I'm going to take a dog for a walk now. In my pajamas, because why not? I don't have to get dressed until later, because we're going to have family dinner. Yeah. Oh, I need to go get wine for that too. Gotta go to the store and get some wine. Yes, I do. Alright, it's a little bit cleaner in here. I vacuumed and cleaned the bathroom, and I'm supposed to do the floors, like sweeping and mopping the hardwood floor, the little bit of hardwood floors we have. But I'm done, and I can make the boyfriend do that, along with unloading the dishwasher. so we can get dishes done today too. The only thing left on my list besides art stuff is doing my desk, and that'll be really fast because I just have to put these papers away, which most of them go into my file box, and then just figure out a home for everything else. But I am going to go to the store real fast and pick up the wine, and then take a shower maybe. I don't know. I have to, but I don't want to. I mean, I don't have to. I just have to take, like not a full shower. I don't need to wash my hair. But I still don't want to do it. But I will. Yeah, other than that, I'm just going to be working on the commission sketch. And I might drag out my painting stuff. Or I might save it for a little bit later tonight. Because I am going to dinner with the family and I don't want to be covered in oils. You're on the counter. Off the counter. Peter. Don't. Come on. Man, you're being picky today. Peter, come on. Thank you. Don't be all cute. If the dog can't get up there, you cannot get up there. You can be on that one, but not this one. Capiche? The booze has been acquired. This is for dinner, and this is for me, because I recently got into watching The Crown, and it requires some wine to accompany it. And also, I just like pink Moscato. I did find out that this is our new favorite brand right now. They came out with new flavors, and the Stella Rosa Pink is like a sparkly strawberry flavor, and I saw that they had a rosé, and I really wanted to get it, but unfortunately I had to go with the cheaper option for tonight, which is a pink Moscato. It's still sweet, so I'm still good. I'll be fine. But this is like a semi-sweet sparkling red wine. So good. Of course, I got pins for work because I'm down to 2. Technically I have 4, but 2 of the things broke off, and one of my tables actually broke it off. Like, I set it down, it was perfectly fine. I went to go pick it up, and it was just snapped off, and I was like, that was kind of rude. Okay. So, new set of pens and bread, because you always need bread. Here comes the rain from Hurricane Laura. It is just missing us. Are you enjoying the rain? It's supposed to be a really bad one. It's higher than a stage 4 right now, I believe. Good morning. It is the 27th now. Just dropped off the boyfriend to work and I grabbed myself a second cup of coffee. I'm going to, there's only 2 things on my to-do list for today. I'm going to finish up a sketch for a commission and then I'm going to work on the underpainting a little bit more. I didn't get to it yesterday, so hopefully I can get a lot done for today. Yeah, that's basically it. It's a very uneventful day because I also work today, so I have to get to work. Or have to get to work on this and try and get as much done. The sketch is almost done. I just need to add a couple things and tweak the foot. Because I don't like how the foot looks before I send it off to the client. And then hopefully tomorrow I can work on a personal project that I want to do. But he needs to have a hat. And I need to tweak the foot. And then I also need to do the staff. And then I should be done with this sketch and I can work on the painting. Okay, here's what I got done so far today. It's about almost 1:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop because this does need to dry. Of course, I can't get away with painting without getting it all over me. But I focus mostly on the hair because it does need some help. Once this is dry, hopefully I can pull out more details. But so far, it's looking pretty nice. I like it. Maybe if you stand back and like close one eye, tilt your head and close the other eye, you know, looks good. I started going in with white over here to start covering up these and getting them nice and pretty. And I'm gonna wait for the hair to dry a little bit more, especially around this area, before I go in all the way with that. And then I need to do one more dark coat on this, just so that the purple shows up really nicely. So do that, finish the hair, and then I should be good to go to start working on the actual part, like the actual painting of it. I do need to throw away my palette. This is just palette paper because it's getting all dirty. Like that's still wet, but everything else is mostly dried out now because I've been using the drying medium and it's all mixed in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away. And I cleaned out my water already, so that's fine. Because I had to dip into new, or not water, but new Gamsol. So that's fine. But yeah. Just gonna watch a bunch of random vlogs because for some reason it's not letting me log into YouTube on the PlayStation, so I'm just like having to look them up by hand, which is fine. I've got some videos that I want to watch before going to work anyway. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon. It is now the 28th. I just spent the first part of my morning getting everything situated for September. I went through my budget and got all that situated. I'm thinking this next paycheck I'll be able to purchase my computer parts. So I made sure to set it up to where I can easily pay bills throughout the rest of the month as well, because I'm still getting 2 paychecks after. Because the way we do period pays is every 2 weeks. I don't get paid technically 3 times in the month of September. So that's great. I can write those down so I can at least see them. Yay. And then this month, and effectively, probably for a while, I'm going on a no spend, where I only spend on essentials, because I need to start saving up not only for our move next year, but also for my convention next year that may happen. Hopefully it will happen. And I want to get a button maker for that, plus get the prints for that, and I'm working on new prints to sell as well. So I'll have to do that. Oh, I need to finish writing down on my to-do list what kind of fan art I want to do. I'm getting what else do we need to do? I do need to work on a commission I was working on yesterday, today. Where did I put the... There it is. Let me move this over to here. Boop, there we go. So I need to line it, but I also need to finish up the sketch for it because I want to do some fancy embroidery on it. And then I also want to get started on a new fan art piece. I think I'm going to go ahead and sketch that out real fast, just to get it out of my head, and then work on the line work on that. But that's going to be it for my to-do list today. My lettering looks all wonky because I accidentally spelled September wrong. Forgot the EM and just wrote Sep-ber. Oops. Yeah, not much going on this week. I'm basically just playing catch up. I'm waiting for the hair to dry on Mom's painting. Because I did just dip into regular oil on that as well by accident. So it needs a day to dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and start working on the actual like finished painting of it. Because I believe the underpainting is as far along as I want it to get. I don't want to get too far into it because I am a perfectionist, and so I'll just get lost in the details, and I'm going to be painting over them anyway. So it's to the point where I'm happy with where it is. It's at the ugly stage, which is fine. I can make it beautiful again. But yeah, that's it for now. Okay, it's been a few hours now. I actually spent too much time on the sketch. So now I have about an hour and a half left before I have to get ready for work, which, yes, it's enough time to work on the commission, but I need to do the dishes and also cook my lunch and take a shower real fast. So I'm just going to do that tonight. Here's what the sketch looks like so far. I really enjoy how it's coming along. I'm so excited because this is, hopefully if it comes out nicely, I'll be able to print it. I think I'm doing 11 by 17 on this. Oh, I'm really hungry. What is it? 11 by 14, which is like standard poster size, I believe. It's like that. So I'm gonna print it for conventions because I like how it's coming out so far. I need to tweak it a little bit, so I'm gonna finish up the finalize the sketch a little bit and then tweak it some. But I'm really liking how it's turning out. I'm so excited because I really enjoyed the ending, and I just found out that there's comics to go along with after the show ended, and unfortunately the physical copies are unavailable at the moment. So I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for those because I need those in my life. Yeah. I'm gonna be spending a lot of money on convention stuff and comic books, and it's gonna be glorious. And as soon as I have my room space, all the money I earn is gonna go towards decoration. Oh boy, whatever. It makes me happy. I do need to finish my customization on my case sometime next week, because I hope to get the computer built within the next 2 weeks, depending on how fast we're able to get the parts in. So I need to finish painting that. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna take a stop now, and because it's a Friday night, so we're definitely going to be busy tonight at work. So I'm just going to take the next hour and a half to clean up a little bit, especially the kitchen. I need to do the dishes. Excuse me. Yeah. And I'm gonna make myself some pasta because carbs sound good, and I have asparagus left over that I made yesterday. So I'll have that as well. And maybe a salad. I might save the salad for later tonight though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna edit this vlog tomorrow. So I will see you in the next one. Bye!